Today we are going to make a snowstorm in a jar. What will you need? You'll need oil, vegetable oil or baby oil. Today we are choosing to use baby oil because it has no color to it. You're also going to need white paint. You can use school paint or you can use acrylic. Today we're using acrylic. You will need Alka-Seltzer tablets, a spoon, a jar, cup, or bottle, and 1 cup of water. Mine is already pre-measured. Step 1, add the cup of water to the jar. Step 2, you're going to measure out 1 teaspoon of paint. And mix into your water. Step 3, pour oil into your container. Step 4, you're going to open up your Alka-Seltzer tablet and you are going to break your tablet into a couple of pieces. And then you can, if you want, you can add a little food coloring if you would like it to have more of a color to it, but you don't have to. So we're going to go ahead and add some of the pieces of the Alka-Seltzer and observe what happens. We'll start with 1. Oh, it's starting to snow. Let's put some more in there. You can see it. If it was a, say, tinted blue or something like that. So we're getting quite the storm going on right now. Let's see what happens if we add more. And we haven't had a lot of snow yet this year, but this is looks like quite the snowstorm brewing, huh? Okay, so what's the science behind this? Exploring liquid density and chemical reactions all in one easy to set up science activity in a jar is what we just did. There are a couple of fun science concepts going on here if you look closely. The first thing to point out or ask your kids about is the density of the liquids being used. Is the water lighter or heavier than the oil? Make sure notice that the oil sits at the top. See that? The oil is sitting at the top of the mixture. What has happened to the paint? Well, the paint is settling down at the bottom now that we're running out of our Alka-Seltzer. So this is a concept that's really fun, liquid density. I'm pretty sure everyone has observed that our reaction is what happened is when the tablet was dropped into the cup. This reaction is what created the awesome snowstorm, almost a blizzard effect. Bubbles are a result of the carbon dioxide gas that is released during the chemical reaction to make the snow effect. The bubbles pick up that white paint and carry it to the surface. Once the bubbles reach the surface, they pop. And the paint mixture drops back down. So we have 1 little piece of tablet left. So let's go ahead and put it in there and see what our last reaction is. And there we go again. It's almost like we're having a snowstorm that's coming up from the ground up. But it's pretty cool. All right, thank you for joining us today for a snowstorm in a jar. See you next time.